Alright, this video is how to change out the nib and also cartridge. First, we're going to unscrew the grip section from the pin and remove the old cartridge. Then, if we're replacing the nib, we will grab the nib lightly and just unscrew counterclockwise until it's removed from this grip section right here. We'll take the new nib, place it in here, and lightly screw that in. You don't need it to be too tight, and just get it till it stops. I'll take the cartridge or your converter, and this is the post sticking up. Take the cartridge and just take that and snap it in like that. You'll hear a nice snap. Always give it a little squeeze. Take it and put it back in the barrel. Put the cap on. And usually I store it upside down for just a couple minutes just so the ink flows down into the pen. In a couple minutes you should be ready to write.